Nightlife on the Carnival Sunshine. What does it look like? What does it feel like? What does it sound like? Well, we're going to take you through it. We're going to check it out, everything they have to offer. So just sit back, listen in, and have a blast.
Away from my way better chosen scheme. I'm not the one you want, babe. I'm not the one you need. Oh, baby, yeah, you're the king for babe. Go lightly from the land, babe. Go lightly on the ground. I'm not the one you want,
Jokes at a time like this. It's undignified for a king to jest. Oh, excuse me, your highness, please call me to mask my feelings. You won't have to. It's not that the king I'll surrender myself to the fisherman. That is my honor to Atlantis. So dramatic. Yeah, just let me find this asshole. Contact him and see what I look. Things don't always go as planned.
Day after day I'm more confused. Still look for the light through the pouring rain. Seems like a game that I hate to lose. I'm feeling the strain, oh ain't it a shame. Oh, give me the beat, boys, and free my soul. I'm getting lost in your rock and roll freeway. Let me take me away. Beginning to think I'm wasting time. Don't understand the things that I do.
Making it dark and bad. I want to tell everybody, what you need is right. You want to know the call the world. Rolling in the money and the pay that track. And the praise up in the road 70. Have you when see a brand new tree. Watch that thing some rocks and rest in the yard. All grown up. Youth in Paris, he almost found me. Ladder, let me tell you what it's all about. Now you feel things that matter. You can put a fence around, and then you lay it out. Bye, girl, find the one you can live without.
The first time on spring break, I took 5 rubbers to Florida. I came home with 10. I don't want to sound negative. I've had a good life, man. One of the biggest problems for me growing up, checking out my neighbors. My neighbors had a little 5-year-old. Haven't seen him since. But his dad kept calling. That would be the joke in that one.
Now I'm home and fast. Could this be the magic that lasts? And at the bed, even shattered dreams are the only one who remain you me at all. Come on.
You are going to get a lovely little marker board and a marker as well as an eraser, all right? And it's a very, very easy first round. All you're gonna do is oh no. Sometimes I write the answer down. That's number 3. We're going to some country now, I believe, for number 4. Ooh, very nice, very nice. Now, we're gonna do it one more time, but this time, I need all the guys in the room to give me a big let's go, girls. Here we go. Some of y'all were really trying to get in touch with masculinity on that one. For some of you, I heard, let's go, girls. All right, we're gonna do everybody together. Here we go.
Let's go there.
There it is. I don't know about y'all, but anytime I hear this song, I want to kick a door down like, bam, I'm here. Yeah, she knows what I'm talking about. It's like, bam, I'm here. I'm feeling alright. Gonna let it all hang out. Gonna make some noise.
We've come to the end of the video, but it's really not the end. Hit subscribe. Check out our Cruising Fun playlist and stay tuned to our channel. Thanks for watching.